Good morning. We're starting off today's vlog going to the doctor's, then over to the mall. Should be lots of fun. Gotta get my laptop fixed, which is not fun. So hopefully that doesn't cost too much. We're out here with Octavian. You know, he thinks he can break people's ankles, but not really. He just a scrub. Look at that garbage. Jeez. See all these scrubs around here? It's gonna make me look bad. It's terrible. Alright, I'll catch you guys later at the doctor's. Goodbye. We made it here to my uncle's chiropractic office here in Boca. I'm gonna go in and get Justy, get my back fixed, and everything else that's messed up. So yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
Please, won't you wait, won't you stay, at least until the sun goes down. When you're gone, I lose faith, I lose everything I have found. Heartstrings, violence, that's what I hear when you're by my side. Yeah, that's what I hear when you're by my side. When you're gone, the music goes, whoa, 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 whoa. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul, whoa, 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 whoa. So hear me out before you see the night is over. I want you to know that we gotta carry on. So don't let this be our final song.
What's up?
The other kids are trying to catch up with us.
What's up? You got tall.
Finally.
What the heck happened?
Girl was, oh my god, are you taller than Uncle Darren?
Here's the wires coming out of the brain, the spinal cord, wires go to organs, and everything else. So let's see what it says.
It's a lot of headphones.
See it?
They couldn't catch it still?
See it right there?
Oh my gosh.
Where it jumps, right?
Alright, let's have a...
That's where the change is. So what we're gonna do is first test the good side. No, he wants to see this. This is the angle you want to see. My thumbs should do this.
Watch his fingers.
Based on the pelvis movement, 5 degrees on each side. First, we're gonna look at the left. Lift up the left knee high like you're marching, and down. Okay, do it again, but real slow. Up high, and down. Boom. See my left thumb fall?
Yeah.
Right side. See that one go up? You can't do it. Do it again. Can't do it. So he's having to fire the gluteus medius on the opposite side. Pelvis has to lift, compensating with the femur head because the SI joint has zero motion. Now watch this.
I know exactly what that means.
Here, we're gonna have you right here.
I see what you're gonna do.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, I want to see what you want to
And we know that because when we look at the X-ray, he has an open SI joint on the right side, pubic symphysis on the left side, 14 millimeters of rotation. That's what it is.
So
On either side. We're gonna change everything. Bottom leg straight. Come to the edge. Done. Boom.
Thank you guys for trying.
You're welcome.
Boom. 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 Now just chill. That's it. Hip up high. Just lift it. Got it. I'll do the rest. Just relax. You start. Nice and easy on the shoulder. Oh God. Nice and easy.
Oh my god.
Nice and easy. We'll go to the chair.
Oh.
He goes, oh my god.
This is torture.
So we do this one.
I sent you guys the info, Darren.
Stretch, 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 stretch.
Oh, God. Almost got broke.
No, take it as me more.
I'll take some.
Just stretch it. Put that chin.
I'm zoomed in on
Get
them.
back together.
Did your neck just crack?
Yeah.
Not yet. All done.
Oh, you can just stand there.
You gonna let Uncle Darren adjust you? No? He's always scared.
We see all of us get tortured. So he's like, now.
And because you're all yelling like it hurts.
Because you asked.
But just do it. Just take them in.
So very important, the C1 dog, Atlas, okay, it's the first one after the skull. It's like a washer. The washer wraps around the brain stem. So the brain funnels down to the stem, then it comes down to the cord, and there's all these wires coming out of the sides. Just like that. So the first one's the Atlas. That's the ring. And when that's out of place, you have to get one.
Do everyone have this right here?
Yeah, we all have that.
Yeah, so that's fine.
I know, but like, I didn't like, you know what I mean?
It's wild if you're not used to seeing that. It's kind of scary and like kind of weird, right?
Yeah. Especially that one with the girl.
And that one over there, look at that one over there. That's where all the organs are getting life.
He said ew.
Oh, I had touched that before. I touched one before at school.
Just come with me over. Lift that chin a little. Oh. Perfect.
Hey.
Yo, that looks fresh.
Hey, come on, Jordan.
Come on.
Finally all done. Jeez, buddy. I'm trying to film a vlog. Can you be quiet for me? Thank you. Alright. It's so sunny out here. Oh, Damon, for us. So we're finally done getting adjusted, all that good stuff. Now we're gonna head to the mall. I'm gonna try to get my laptop fixed at Apple. And then after that, we're gonna go around the mall, maybe shop a little bit. So I'll show you guys around. Catch you guys at the mall. See you later. Just got to the mall. Took us forever. Traffic is terrible here. I hate it. This little scrub is tying his shoe over here. But yeah, the mall's pretty big. It's nice. We have to be at the Apple appointment in 10 minutes, so hopefully we get it there in time. We have no clue where it is in this mall. We just got done at the Apple store. They said everything's okay with my Mac.
I'm not on there. What?
So we just got done at the Apple store. Everything's okay with my Mac. They just said that the files are too big for iMovie, which is cool. I understand that. So now we're just gonna walk around the mall, try to find Damon, Tony, and Tavian, all of them. Maybe get some food because I'm pretty hungry. I'll see you guys later. We just got done at the mall, got a few things. My mom just got a smoothie right there. So now we're gonna head. We're looking at a few furniture stores. My parents looking for some new stuff for their bedroom. And after that, I think we're heading home. So my laptop ended up being fine. And so that's about it. So basically we took a trip up here just to shop, which was a long trip. But it's alright.
Every single one of them. That's all over the floor.
So go clean it.
No, she did it.
Why are you touching?
Stop. I'm recording.
I'll beat your ass.
So we just got done looking at El Dorado for the furniture. Now we're headed to Ross to return some things. And then we're heading home after that, I'm pretty sure. So I'll see you guys at home.